Hi everyone, and thanks to GAOMON staff for trusting me and sending me this GAOMON graphic tablet S620.
I'm a freelance character designer and illustrator as well, mostly working with the video game industry. It's kind of nostalgic because I started painting with this sort of tablet, really tiny, really small, but I will show you how you can use it. This tablet comes in an elegant white box filled with all the necessary, like tablet, battery-free pen, USB cable and USB adapters in case of nibs and picker, and something which is, I don't know, it's a soft, I don't know what it is for, but I read it was a pen touch. I don't know what it is. It's like is it a case for the pen? I don't know. But what surprised me is that it's really nice glove, smooth and warm, which provide you good sensation when you draw. So with this on, let's just jump to the demo. Once you plug your tablet, install the driver, because of the sensitivity of this tablet, which is like entry level, so you have to custom a bit either your brush or your pen tablet accordingly to what you want to do, to be able to make good gradients, to make good variation between your strokes. It's me again. As you can see, yeah, the quality according to the price is really good. You can do stuff, good art. You must pay attention to sensitivity because it's not really high. Zero time response with the pen, battery-free pen. To my opinion, is a good tablet to begin.
And I will recommend this GAOMON graphic tablet S620 for people who have this intent. And for the users, don't hesitate to take a look at a GAOMON range of semi-professional and professional tablets on their website. Links are below. Thanks for listening to this video. Have a nice day.